Hello there, welcome to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss move command in Revit. Okay, so how to use the move command here we have to see. So you can see here I have taken one architecture layout just for your understanding purpose. Okay, this is our 3D. So here we have to, if you want to use the move command, so just come here in floor plan, hit on level 1. See here I have placed the bed and dining table, everything. Okay, so now suppose I want to move any component. Suppose here I have placed the bed. So now I want to move the bed. So what you can do, first of all just select the bed. When you select the bed, here you will get the reference that from backside wall how much you want to move this bed. So it is given 2 feet. Suppose you want to move 4 feet, just write down here 4 feet, enter. Now see, the bed will move 4 feet. Now same thing from this wall, from the center of this wall, how much distance you want to move. So suppose it is 26 feet 6 inch. I don't want this, I want some little bit like 25 feet, enter. So in this way you can use. Our next thing is, so this is the first method to move the object. Now the second method is what, you can use the move command. So from where we get the move command, in modify tab. When you see in modify panel, here you will get the move command, and the shortcut to use the move command is capital M. Okay, you have to press M. So from here also you can select the move command, otherwise just type M, enter. Okay, so now suppose I want to move this bed, okay, little bit anywhere. So for that what you have to do, first just select the component or select element from the drawing which you want to move. So I want to move the bed, so I have selected bed. Now in modify panel you can see here you will get the move command, hit on that. Now when you hit on this move command, now you have to select the reference point from the drawing. So suppose I want to move from this point, I want to move the bed from this point, so I have taken this end point is our reference point. Okay, now where you want to move, you can move it in 360-degree angle. Okay, where you want, as per your requirement you can move it. Suppose if you want to place it here in this corner, okay, you can take and just place it here. Okay, so in this way also you can do the movement. Now press the Ctrl Z again. When you select the move this object, hit on move command. Now you can suppose reference point, I have selected this point. Now I want to move this object, how much. So here you can enter the distance also, required distance as per your requirement. Okay, see when I'm trying to move this bed, so here we can move the this component in 360-degree. But if you don't want to move this bed in 360, only you want to move the object in x-axis or in y-axis. So for that, when you hit on this object in move command, see in option bar you will get the option constraint, it is unchecked. When you check constraints, on that time what happen, you can move this bed only in x or y direction. See like this, check it, then select the reference. Now I'm trying to move in 360, but see the object is not moving in 360-degree, only it is moving in x-axis or y-axis. So in this way you can move the object. Okay, so this is all about move command in Revit. I hope all of you enjoyed this session. See you in next one.